Okay, students, this is the video 21.3 video 2, so it'll be 21.3.2. What we're going to try to do is cover not necessarily the algebra tiles, but I want to do the question that they're talking about for question A. So question A has this. It's x squared plus 6x. Okay, that was terrible. Let's do this again. X squared plus 6x plus 9. And if you'll do me a favor, go ahead and factor that out. Put me on hold or pause. Go ahead and factor that out. Get me some solutions, and then go ahead and hit play again. Okay, as always, we have to find our A, B's, and C's. So here's A, here's B, and here's C. Okay, so for A, we find that A is, of course, positive 1, B is positive 6, and C is positive 9. As with the very first example I gave you in video 1, since A is positive 1, then what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, so we're just going to look at 9, all the factors of 9. So we got 1, 9, 3, 3. Really, that's about it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say, since everything is positive, make everything positive. And by now, your brain should be well focused on what combination gives you positive 6. So we're going to come over here, break these two out again like we always do. Ones on the left are going to be, actually I'd like a little bit bigger. So the ones on the left are going to be your x and your x. Ones on the right are going to be your positive 3, positive 3. So that we now know we have x plus 3 squared. That's basically what we're going for in this lesson. So if you'll do me a favor, bypass slide 2 and let's all take a look at slide 3. Slide 3 is just setting up what we've already done in the sense that we know how to factor. Now take a look at this example. Draw a line, say, hey, I'm done. And here we go. This one's going to be, I haven't used this color. Let's try this color. 4x cubed minus 24x squared plus 36x. Okay, so let's dive into this. First of all, you'll notice that everything has an x. Here's 3 of them here, 2 of them here, 1 of them here. So right off the bat, you should be thinking, wait up, I know 4, 24, and 36 are all found in the force timetables, so I know I have a GCF. The difference is that when I factor out my GCF, not only am I factoring out a 4, but I also could factor out x. All right, so let's recreate what we started with. So I want 4x cubed, and I'm going to multiply something to 4x. What do I multiply to 4x to get 4x cubed? The answer is x squared. What do I factor to a 4x when I want the answer to be negative? And this is positive. I know it's negative. 24, I want to multiply 6. And for this one, I only need 1x. Lastly, how do I get 36x if I only have 4x? Well, from here, I already know that I'm going to multiply 9, and then it has to be a positive 9. So now at this point, I could find my A, B, C. If you'll do me a favor, go ahead and put me on pause while you try it and see if you could figure it out. All right, so hopefully you found A, B, and C. So let's do this thing. So A was equal to, okay, this is going to drive me crazy here. A is equal to positive 1, just what we want. b is equal to -6 and c is equal to +9. Okay, this time, again, I look and say, hey, look, that's a +1, so I just need to focus on this guy. There's only two factors, 1, 9. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. So let's clean this up. 1, 9, 3, 3. And what I know is this time I want to multiply two signs together that give me this positive, that when I combine them, it gives me this negative. And if you go to that little cheat sheet, you'll see that the two signs have to be negatives. And by now your brain should be finely tuned where you say, hey, look, that's the combination I want right there. So come over here and do -3, -3, x, x. So now we have the 4x, which is being multiplied to the x minus 3, which is being multiplied to the x minus 3. But this could be made prettier by doing 4x, x minus 3, and since there's two of them, squared. All right, that does it for this video. In the next video, video 21.3.3, I'll be doing example 1b. In the meantime, you try it. See if you can get 1b.